Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is October 13th. We've got the markets kind of chopping around a little bit overnight, still trying to find our direction after the USDA report that was out Friday. So corn right now down about a penny, beans up 3/4 cent, and wheat down 3. So let's watch this today and see where we end up going. But today is Columbus Day. We've got government on holiday, so they're off today. So harvest progress will not be released today. It will be released tomorrow. Some of the early expectations, though, is anywhere from 30 to 32% harvested for beans. The average is about 57. And then for corn, somewhere 25 to 28% harvested for corn. The average is 38. I don't think guys will be watching that too close just because we know we're behind. We know there's a big crop out there. We've got to find places to put it. So yields that have been coming in still very good, and we're still seeing that, hearing that kind of talk. And this week, looking at as we go through this week and later this week, it looks like harvest progress could pick up even more as the weather's giving a good opportunity for guys to get out in the fields and get some work done. Also, something to watch here today is outside market influence. So early last week, we saw the dollar break, and they were buying in commodities. Are we going to see that again? The dollar this morning is down about 37 cents. So once we get into 8:30 and we start kicking back on again, are we going to see that buying continue? Something to pay attention to. Also, managed money. So these index funds that reduced their corn position. They're long right now, 73,093 contracts. They ended up selling 11,993 last week, so they backed off their long position a little bit. They increased the short position in beans by 9,243. So the funds now are short 24,457. And then for wheat, they bought back 3,331, but they are still short 67,970. So we'll see what this managed money wants to do as we get the markets back open again. And are they going to pay attention to some of these outside factors, much like the dollar? So keep an eye on that. As far as livestock, cattle, right now, we had box beef, I should say, on Friday. Choice up 61, select up 11 cents, continuing to firm up just a little bit. We did see that cash trade last week, 164. That's $2 higher. Something to note, the highest we've seen cash trade is 165. So if we do see that or better here this week, we're going to be setting new records as far as cash cattle trade, so keep that in mind. As far as hogs, cutout values down a little bit, down 82 cents. We do have that October contract going off the board tomorrow, so keep an eye on that and which way we go once that does go off the board. But the early expectations this morning is to see livestock open up maybe steady a little bit lower. Outside market, stock market right now up 38, gold up $6, silver up 10 cents. The dollar right now down 37 as we mentioned, but keep an eye on that throughout the day. You can reach us here if you guys have any questions whatsoever, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow.